Hello everyone, today I have the cat lady box for you. It is the February 2021. You had to sign up by a certain date to be able to get the February 2020 box. Now, I already kind of opened this, but the cats went crazy and messed up the camera situation, so I'm redoing it. So, looks like this. Kind of torn open, but there's a card that came with it, and it's adorable. I wish mine hadn't been bent. Still gonna keep this probably though. And on the back it says what is in here and how much it costs. And they have a little cute cat lady sticker on there. The first thing is this blanket, and it has a cute little cat on it. There. Good sized one. And this is the Pretty Kitty blanket, exclusive to Cat Lady box. Cozy up for some cat cuddles with this super soft exclusive blanket. We teamed up with one of our favorite artists, Alexandra Broke, for this pretty kitty. Retails for $19.99. And then we have the shirt that comes with it, and looks like this. It says pretty in pink. Now there's this wet spot on it, and it kind of smells odd. There's actually multiple wet spots, so I don't know what this is. And the shirt is also exclusive to the Cat Lady box. And it says bright and bold and pretty, of course, exclusive design on our signature super soft style shirt. Wear with love, and the retail price is $22.99. And the cat is having a ball in the box. Then there's this jewelry piece. It looks like this, and it is a cute little ring. And the ring is adjustable. And then, since I got the Crazy Cat Lady box, I got 2 toys for the cats in this box. Oh, and the Paws to Heart ring is $17.99. It says show off your love for your cats with this pretty and delicate paw ring, whisper pink gemstones with adjustable band for the perfect fit. And then we have this cat toy, and Tigger is already loving it. And this retails for $5.99. It's Toe Bean Tickler catnip toy. It's probably what's making them go all crazy. And then there is this cat toy, and it is Penny Piglet catnip toy, and it retails for $4.99. And now I'm gonna show you how crazy they're being right now.